Hey everyone, so I pulled a card for you all out there today asking what message does the tarot have for you all out there today? And the Six of Pentacles came through. And this is all about balance. And this is all about balancing giving and receiving. Okay, so we're not to overgive and we're not to, undergive. Like it's got to be a balance, because then we balance that abundance that we are wanting to bring into our lives, right? Because if we're always giving, we are leaking our energy out. But if we are always taking, right, we're always relying on getting given to, okay? So it's an equal balance of giving and receiving. This card also indicates too that over time you might have been diligently working on something that's bringing you quite a lot of material gain, really. Money, could be assets, could be material things, like whatever it is, but it's helping you to actually create more, as in getting to the point where you're getting so much and you're building so much abundance that you're actually going towards being able to share more of what you have. So you being able to be more generous with everything you have, right? And you're being able to give more because, these cups in the balancing scales, they're overflowing and they're coming out and they're going towards the hands in the card, in the picture. And so it's like you're getting overflowing with abundance and money and all the good things, right? So it's a card of generosity. So you might be feeling quite generous at the moment because you're feeling quite abundant in what you have. Alrighty, so let me know if you've liked the reading. Make sure you hit the like so I know to bring you more readings like this one. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, because then you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do, which I'm doing them quite a bit on here at the moment. So I don't want you to miss out. So make sure you hit the bell and make sure you hit the like. Then I know to bring you more. Alrighty, that's your message for today from the tarot. Bye.